Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes, standing in front of a beautiful Kitty Hawk model that we're getting ready to turn over to a new homeowner today. These folks picked the cypress siding color, absolutely gorgeous. They did it on a raised slab, so you have the brick skirt around the house. Something these folks did that was pretty unique. It's the first time I think we've done it in our long history, as they did the cedar shake vinyl siding. It looks really, really good. Why don't you come on inside with me? We're gonna take a look around and see what these folks did on this beautiful home. In this home, one of the things that people absolutely love about the Kitty Hawk is the large living room. It's probably one of our largest living rooms on any of our models. Open to the kitchen and the eating area. Absolutely beautiful. These folks chose to do the farmhouse trim package around the windows, but they also opted to add the two-piece crown in the downstairs area. So it's kind of a mashup of the two worlds, but it came out really nice. My wife really likes it. In the kitchen, they opted to do the flat top island with the overhang. They added the tile backsplash and the stainless steel range hood. They also opted to take the tile all the way up to the ceiling behind the range hood, which I think really came out nice. As you know, in the Kitty Hawk, this would normally be the back of the house and you'd have a door going out to the patio. These folks actually opted to add the sunroom. So it's a really nice space. I think we did a 10 by 16 on this particular room here. Great views through the windows overlooking their property. Came out so nice. Another thing they added in the kitchen was the undermount cabinet lighting at nighttime when all the lights are out except for those. It really, really looks beautiful. The Kitty Hawk has the primary bedroom downstairs. It has two large walk-in closets. It's a really nice size too. It's very comfortable. In the bathroom, they upgraded from our standard LVP floor to the ceramic tile. They also did the ceramic tile around the tub. They added a tile shower in here. We haven't got the glass doors installed yet. They're coming, but it's gonna be really nice. Downstairs, you have a half bath for your guests. You also have the laundry room and your drop zone right around the corner from the primary bedroom. We love the drop zones. As normal, we put it by the garage. So when you come in from the garage, you can drop your bags, drop your shoes, hang your coat, and into the house you come. So one of our favorite things we like to put in our homes. People absolutely love is the spacious bedrooms, particularly this bedroom. We have people that use this as a bedroom. We've had people set up couches and things and make this kind of like the hangout room, put a big TV on the wall. Just a lot of really cool things you can do with this space. It is a very large room. Another really cool feature about the Kitty Hawk is all the storage. This house has 3 walk-in attic spaces. It also has a full bath up here for the kids' rooms or guest rooms, and it's very spacious as well. Thanks so much for coming and checking out the Kitty Hawk model. It's another one of AB Home's beautiful floor plans. If you'd like to learn more about this particular floor plan or any of the many others that we do, we would love the opportunity to talk to you. You can find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Call me, 757-435-9900. We would love the opportunity to talk to you about building your dreams in your new home this year. See you around.